Carbonado diamonds are among the most mysterious and fascinating gemstones in the world. Unlike traditional white diamonds, Carbonado diamonds are opaque, dark, and porous, making them very different in structure and appearance. If you think you may have found a rough black diamond and want to test it at home, this guide will walk you through safe and simple methods to help you identify potential Carbonado. What is a Carbonado black diamond? Carbonado is a rare type of polycrystalline diamond found mainly in Brazil and Central Africa. Unlike regular diamonds, Carbonado is black or dark grey, has a porous, sponge-like texture, is extremely tough, contains graphite and other inclusions, does not usually show transparency. Because of its unusual structure, Carbonado behaves differently from clear diamonds during testing. Number 7. Ways to check rough black diamonds at home. Important. These are preliminary tests only. For confirmation, always consult a certified gemologist. Visual inspection, first and most important step. Look closely at the stone under strong light. A real rough Carbonado usually has a dull to submetallic luster, appears deep black or dark grey, has irregular natural surfaces, shows tiny pores or holes, does not look shiny like polished glass. Fake black stones like obsidian or slag often look glassy and smooth. Number 2, hardness scratch test. Carefully. Diamonds are the hardest natural material, 10 on Mohs scale. Try scratching a piece of glass, quartz, ceramic tile, unglazed. If the stone scratches these materials easily and does not get scratched itself, it could be diamond. Be careful. This test can damage surfaces and is not 100% reliable. Number 3, density water test. Carbonado is heavy. Simple home test. 1, fill a glass with water. 2, drop the stone inside. A real diamond sinks immediately due to high density, about 3.5 grams per centimeter. If it floats or sinks slowly, it is likely not diamond. 4, magnet test. Interesting for Carbonado. Unlike regular diamonds, some Carbonado stones may show slight magnetic response due to iron inclusions. Use a strong magnet. Slight attraction may occur. Strong magnetic pull means it is likely not diamond. Number 5, electrical conductivity test. Carbonado diamonds can conduct electricity better than regular diamonds because of graphite content. Professional diamond testers measure this property, but at home this is difficult unless you own a diamond tester. If you can access a diamond tester, diamond equals positive reading, other stones equals negative or different response. 6, surface texture examination, magnifying glass test. Use a 10x loupe or magnifying glass. Look for tiny natural cavities, uneven rough surface, no bubbles. Glass usually contains bubbles. No sharp glassy edges. If you see round air bubbles inside, it is probably glass. Number 7, heat resistance test. Use extreme caution. Diamonds resist high temperatures. This method is risky and not recommended. Fake stones may crack under heat shock. However, this test can damage real diamonds too and should be avoided. Common stones, confused with black diamonds. Many materials look similar to Carbonado. Black spinel, black tourmaline, obsidian, hematite, industrial slag. Coal Carbonado is much harder and heavier than these materials. Key characteristics of real Carbonado: opaque black, very tough, porous texture, extremely hard, irregular natural shape found mainly in Brazil or Africa. When to seek professional testing. Home tests are not definitive. The only reliable methods include thermal conductivity testing, electrical conductivity testing, specific gravity measurement, Raman spectroscopy, X-ray diffraction. Visit certified gemologist, geological laboratory, reputable jewelry expert. And final thoughts. Checking a rough black diamond, Carbonado at home can be exciting, but it requires patience and careful observation. While scratch, density, and visual tests can provide clues, only professional testing can confirm authenticity.